Now simply moving our focus from Anahata Chakra to this thread of heart center, this thread of Anahata Chakra. There are many threads, but it starts with the first eight, the first thread, the first part, the first attribute, the first accessory called as emotions. Emotions. Yes, over the Anahata Chakra, we can feel the emotions. There are many emotions. Some are positive, some are negative, some are neutral, some are moving towards inward, some are moving towards outward. But simply we have to explore this third dimension of the heartfulness, emotions. Focusing over the emotional part of our heartfulness journey, focusing over the emotional part of our heart chakra, of our Anahata Chakra, focusing over the heart but looking at the emotions. I am observing my emotions, but I don't know exactly where my emotions are, whether it is expressing through my navel center, whether it is expressing through my third eye. I am not sure yet, but somewhere when or whenever I was in emotions, I felt that there is something, this chakra is expressing something when I was in emotion. Whenever I am in emotion, here something happens. I can feel something here whenever I am in emotion. So I am leading my observation, concentration, focus over the heart chakra. Now simply over the emotions. Focusing over the emotions, observing the emotional part, observing the emotional quotient, observing the EQ. Emotions, simply observing, simply observing the emotions, the emotional part of heartfulness over the heart, over the Anahata Chakra. I am overflown with the emotions. I don't know exactly what emotion it is, but there are many emotions. But simply at the helicopter level, I am observing the emotional part, the emotions over the heart center. Emotions. I am filled with emotions. Might be imaginary, but I am leading my observation, focus over the emotional part, but at the heart center, at the heart chakra, emotions are overflown at the heart chakra. I am feeling my emotions. I am observing my emotions. Emotions, emotions. My hand is on my heart center. My right hand, or the palm of my right hand over the Anahata Chakra. I am feeling the heart center. With my right hand, I am feeling the heart center. And I am thinking about the emotions of my heart center. Now, next part. My emotions are getting cleaned, healed. I'm cleansing my emotions. I'm cleansing my heart chakra. I'm cleansing my heart center. Cleansing, purifying, focusing. By simply focusing over emotions at the heart center. Emotions. Rotating my right hand over the heart center in a circular manner and cleansing my heart chakra. Focus, relax, Stop this circular rotation. Place your hand over the heart center. Think about the emotions. Think about the emotions while focusing over heart chakra. See, there are many emotions: love, sorrow, happiness, kindness, anger, hatred, jealousy, blissfulness. But this time we have to focus over the three major dimensions of the heartfulness in a positive level, and these are love, compassion, and gratitude. We are focusing over, or we are exploring these three dimensions of the heartfulness, focusing over the heart chakra and exploring these three dimensions of the heartfulness, focusing over the love, the compassion, the gratitude of the heartfulness while placing hand over the heart. In the beginning, simply observing at the helicopter level these three accessories of the heartfulness: love, compassion, and gratitude. Love, compassion, and gratitude. Observing over the heart center, feeling these emotions: love, compassion, gratitude. Now simply take your hand slowly and gradually down again in Dhyan Mudra, over the lap, one on one, over the center of the lap in Dhyan Mudra. And now simply remain this focusing part over the center of the heart and simply observing and experiencing these three emotions of the heartfulness: love, compassion, gratitude. Love, compassion, gratitude. I am experiencing love at the center of the heart, experiencing the emotion of the love at the center of the heart, experiencing the emotion of the love at the center of the heart, experiencing emotions, the first emotion, the subtler part, that is love. I am in love with this life, with this very life. I am in love with this very nature. I am in love with this very surrounding. I am in love with this present contemporary life. I am in love with this very thread of my life. Yes, I am in love whoever in my life, as a human being, as an animal, creatures, nature, tree, birds, vibrations, sound, physical forms, each and everything. I am in love because everything is beautiful, everything is good, everything is divine. So I am in love with everything. I am in love of my own life. So next part, I am in compassion. Yes, there might be some negative aspects of my life, but still I am not filled with hatred, jealousy, but rather I am filling my heart overflown with this very dimension of heartfulness, that is compassion. I am filled with compassion towards the negative energy of my life, the negative people of my life, the negative situations of my life. I am filled with compassion, rather filling with hatred, jealousy, and disturbance. I am filling my heart. I am overflown with the heartfulness, with this very thread of heartfulness that is compassion, compassion, compassion. I am overflown with the heartfulness, and moreover, this very thread of heartfulness that is compassion, or feeling of humane aspect. Compassion. I might not reach to that compassion what Gautama the Buddha felt, what Bhagwan Mahavir felt, what Guru Nanak felt, what Raman Maharshi felt, what Ramakrishna Paramhans felt. But I can try to be as a human being, and I can try to explore my feeling of compassion. These are role models for me while moving towards this journey of compassion. But I have to express my own compassion. But these past supreme souls are really role model for me. I can experience that they are in some different great dimensions when they filled with this very power, this very emotion of compassion. A natural flow of humanity, of humane life, compassion. I am experiencing the compassion. I am experiencing the compassion at the heart center. I am experiencing the second major dimension of the heartfulness, that is compassion. There are many accessories, there are many attributes, there are many branches to the heartfulness, but right now I am exploring this second dimension, that is compassion. We are exploring this second dimension, that is compassion. Compassion, compassion over the heart chakra, observing the heart chakra, experiencing, feeling, exploring, manifesting the very emotion of compassion, 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 inculcating this thought of compassion, and concomitantly at the same time similarly expressing this thought of compassion, expressing and inculcating at the same level over the heart chakra, overflown with the heartfulness, compassion, compassion,